Hello guys and welcome in new video on my channel. Sorry for such a long break, but I had very little time lately. In today's video I'll introduce you to the Ellipal Titan mini crypto wallet. It's a small and compact version of the Ellipal Titan hardware wallet. So at the beginning of this video we will do an unboxing. So our Titan mini wallet we get in a box like this. On the back we have some interesting information about this wallet, so you can read it. After opening the box we can see our wallet, so we take it out and show it around, and I must tell you it is very light and pleasant to the touch, and it looks really solidly made. Under the wallet in the box we will find among others an instruction manual, 2 seed brace recovery sheets, Type-C charging cord, a security adapter and a 16GB micro SD card. After starting our wallet we choose the language, then we can download the Ellipal application on our phone and then we proceed to create a wallet. We click create account, we enter the name for our wallet and the password, then we have to enter a 12-word phrase that we have to remember, and that's it. We are on the homepage of our wallet where we can choose the cryptocurrencies we want to see and change a range of other options. The wallet is really very easy to use. Now we will go to the Ellipal website and there I will present you more information about this wallet. Now we are on the Ellipal website and here is the Ellipal Titan mini cold wallet. An ultimate cool web3 cold wallet allows you to have full control of your crypto assets. Be able to access your assets easily wherever you are. So the Ellipal Titan mini cold wallet costs, as you can see, $100. So here you can add to cart this wallet. Shipping info is here, and here is that 30-day return guarantee, so you can read it by yourself if you want, for all your cryptocurrency security needs. So the Titan Mini is self-custody and decentralization, achieved through self-custody with private keys in your possession, completely offline, ensuring immunity to exchange suspensions. Dual layer defense, sleep soundly with air-gapped security, CCL5 plus security chip protects your crypto assets safety, anti-disassembly and anti-tamper, the all-metal design thwarts any intrusion attempts, anti-tamper technology detects interference, erasing data and leaving nothing for hackers. Mobile friendly and one-step service, effortlessly sync with the Ellipal mobile app through QR codes, compatible with iOS and Android, making transactions, purchases, swaps and staking easy. The next is securely navigate Web3. In the Web3 era, cold wallets serve as impenetrable digital wallets. With the rise of NFTs, cold wallets are passports to securing your valuable assets, ideal for crypto enthusiasts and digital pioneers. Ellipal Titan Mini manages NFTs and supports over 10,000 plus coins and tokens. Supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, XRP, ADA and many more. Without installing coin apps, unlimited storage for coins, tokens. Here is the coin list, so we can check it. You can read it of course if you want. I will go back. And the next is Ellipal Security Protection System. Offline firmware update. Only need 3 minutes update offline to the latest version. 2-factor authentication. Get extra secure with PIN entry and password entry. Auto self-destruct. If any tampering is detected, your private information will be automatically deleted. Secret secondary wallet option. Set up alternate accounts that is unlocked with your alternate password. Here is the technical specifications, so you can read it too if you want. I wouldn't, because there is much more information. And here is the frequently asked questions. By the way, the most important is what is in the box. So here is the one Ellipal Titan Mini, one Type-C charging cord, one security adapter, one user menu and 2 seed brace recovery sheets. As you can see on the unboxing, It's all, and here are all reviews of people who just bought Ellipal Titan Mini, so you can read them if you want. And okay guys, it's all from this page, so you can buy Ellipal Titan Mini cold wallet for $100, exactly $99. So here you can add to cart this wallet and check out. By the way guys, you can find a link in the description to buy this Ellipal Titan Mini Cold Wallet, so I just recommend you this wallet. Finally, I will mention a few more details and advantages of this wallet. The Ellipal Titan Mini is a great wallet if you are looking for something mobile and secure that can be used easily with Web3 dApps without needing to be tethered to a PC. At the price point, you can't go wrong with the Mini, as it is good value for money, with the price being competitive with many of the alternatives out there. Honestly, if you already own a Titan, there isn't much benefit in also purchasing a Mini, as they are nearly identical in functionality. But if you are new to the world of Ellipal and hardware wallets, the Mini is a very impressive product and would be my personal choice over the Titan unless you prefer the larger screen. Here are advantages of this wallet. Air encapsulated, offline, no hackers, fully metal sealed, robust, valuable, supports 10,000 plus coins, tokens, NFTs, simple operation via QR codes, and is very cheap, only $99. That's all in today's video. If you have any questions about this wallet, feel free to write in the comments. See you in the next video, bye!